Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Man Cave Meals. This afternoon we're going to fire up the Traeger Timberline 850 and we're going to make a couple loaves of my Pumpkin Asiago bread. You're going to love it. So let's get started. We're going to get started by firing up the Traeger to 350. That's going to be our cooking temperature today. So we're going to hit the ignite button and let it get started. While our grill's heating up, we want to get these ingredients put together, and I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. We are using 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm just going to take my whisk and we're going to get all that kind of loosely combined to start with, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I've got 1 1/4 cup of canola oil, and I've got 5 eggs that have been lightly beaten. And before we go on, I'm going to take my spoon and we're going to get all that combined. After I have all that loosely combined, I'm going to add 1 can of pumpkin puree. I've got about 3/4 of a cup of freshly grated Asiago cheese. And I've got somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 a cup of freshly chopped sage. And I'm just going to take my spoon and we're going to get all that worked in. And after I got all that mixed, I divided it equally here between 2 standard 4x8 inch loaf pans. And to finish this off, I'm going to grate on just a little bit more Asiago cheese right on the top of both of these. And these guys are ready for the grill. Okay guys, we've got the Traeger running at 350. So I'm going to crack this open and we're going to put both of these loaf pans. I'm just going to cook on the middle rack. We're going to slide them in there, and these are going to go for somewhere between an hour and an hour and 10 minutes. Okay guys, we've been going somewhere between 55 minutes and an hour here. These things are done. They've passed the toothpick test. They're looking gorgeous, so I'm going to get these off the grill and we're going to get them out of the pans and let them cool completely. Okay guys, I've let this cool. We're going to slice it open. Have a look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Delicious bread. You're going to have to give this a try. This is a beautiful dessert type bread for your Thanksgiving or Christmas table. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Man Cave Meals.